Howdy there, folks. It's me, Caleb. Woke up this morning and decided to go chop some oak wood in North County, Santa Barbara County. Just picked up some 2x4s that I'm gonna make a guide rail for my chainsaw out of, and gonna try to slab up this fallen oak tree. It's pretty exciting. We had all these, the storms themselves are not necessarily exciting. There was definitely a lot of damage done to properties around the area, but some good things have come from these storms that happened last